Welcome to this meditation with Peaceful Wren. Today, we're going to take a gentle journey into a beautiful forest sanctuary where you can find deep peace and renewal. This is your time to step away from the busyness of daily life and connect with the calming energy of nature. Find a comfortable position where you can sit or lie down undisturbed. Allow your eyes to close gently or soften your gaze downward. Let your hands rest naturally wherever feels most comfortable. Take a moment to notice how you're feeling right now without trying to change anything, simply acknowledging whatever is present for you in this moment. Now, let's begin to settle into our breathing. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and let it go with a gentle sigh. Again, breathing in slowly and deeply, and releasing completely. One more time, drawing in a full, nourishing breath, and letting it flow out naturally. Notice how your body begins to relax with each exhale. Feel your shoulders softening, your jaw releasing, your entire body settling more deeply into this peaceful space. Continue breathing at your own natural rhythm as we begin our journey. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful forest. The air is fresh and clean with the gentle scent of pine and earth. Sunlight filters through the canopy above, creating dancing patterns of light and shadow on the forest floor. You can hear the soft rustle of leaves in a gentle breeze, the distant sound of a babbling brook, and the occasional sweet song of a bird. Take a step forward onto a soft path covered with moss and fallen leaves. Feel the gentle cushioning beneath your feet as you begin to walk deeper into this peaceful sanctuary. With each step, you feel more relaxed, more at peace, leaving any worries or tensions behind you at the forest's edge. The path leads you through tall, majestic trees, whose branches stretch high overhead like natural cathedral arches. Some are ancient oaks with thick, sturdy trunks. Others are graceful birches with silvery bark that catches the filtered sunlight. Notice how protected and safe you feel, surrounded by these gentle giants who have stood here peacefully for so many years. As you continue walking, you come to a small clearing where warm sunlight streams down, creating a natural circle of golden light. In the center of this clearing is a large, smooth boulder, perfect for sitting. Walk over to this natural seat and settle yourself comfortably upon it. Feel the warmth of the sun on your face and shoulders, the gentle breeze moving through your hair, and the solid, grounding support of the stone beneath you. From your peaceful resting place, you can see the beauty of the forest all around you. Notice the rich green of the ferns growing at the base of the trees, the delicate wildflowers blooming in patches of sunlight. The way the light creates an almost magical quality in this sacred space. Breathe in the pure forest air and feel it filling your lungs with life and vitality. With each breath, you're absorbing not just oxygen, but the peaceful energy of this place. Let this calm energy flow through your entire body, healing, restoring, renewing every cell. Feel yourself becoming one with the tranquil rhythm of the forest. Your heartbeat synchronizes with the gentle pulse of life around you. Your breathing flows in harmony with the whisper of wind through the leaves. You are completely present, completely at peace, completely connected to the healing power of nature. Take a few moments to simply rest in this beautiful sanctuary, knowing that this peace you feel is always available to you. This calm strength lives within you always. You need only remember to access it. When you're ready, you can imagine yourself slowly standing from your forest seat. Take one last look around this magical place, breathing in its beauty, its peace, its healing energy. Know that you can return here anytime you need to reconnect with this sense of calm and renewal. Begin to walk slowly back along the moss-covered path toward the edge of the forest. With each step, you're bringing the peace and tranquility of this place back with you. You're carrying this forest sanctuary in your heart, in your breath, in your very being. As you reach the edge of the forest, take 3 deep, conscious breaths, breathing in peace and breathing out gratitude, breathing in calm and breathing out appreciation for this time of restoration, breathing in strength and breathing out readiness to return to your day with a renewed sense of centeredness. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes gently, feeling your body in this present moment. Take your time as you slowly open your eyes and return your awareness to your surroundings. Carrying with you the deep peace and natural wisdom of your forest sanctuary.